It's your boy,
Baby Crockett.
and today we are 4 weeks woofing. We 4 weeks woofing, fat mamas. We 4 weeks woofing, man. So what I want to do, man, I'm going to comb this out, let you guys see what I'm looking like. I'm going to get a quick little wash in, and then we're going to unrag, and I'm going to let you see what the results is like, man. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into it.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
So we finishing up the wash right now. I'm about to put this rag on and we're gonna finish it up. So boom, we done put this on. We're gonna wash this out. But before we go wash it out, I wanna show you guys my homeboy LaRon. He getting ready to get married on Sunday. Is it Sunday?
Yes, sir, Sunday.
Sunday, my man's just getting married, man. We right here on the thing or whatever you call it. Check my man's out. Check him out.
What's good, everybody out there in YouTube world? It's your boy Wave Chappelle on Facebook, man. Check me out, WTBD representative, boy Wavy Crockett, Radar 720, B. Show love.
You already know what it is, but hey, y'all go check my dude out. We gonna wash this out. I ain't gonna show y'all me washing this shampoo out, because y'all already seen that before, so we ain't gotta do it again. Uh-oh, I did a Sir Cruz bars. Y'all didn't even know what was going on right there. Salute to Sir Cruz. But yeah, y'all already know, man. I'm gonna wash this out. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time to dry, and then we gonna unrag. I'm gonna let y'all see what these things looking like. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So as y'all can see, man, I don't have the stocking cap on that I had on from the wash. I unragged, got me a quick session in, put a leave-in conditioner in, gave little mama a bath and got her nice and fresh because we're getting ready to go out to eat. So I have to make sure I was looking right, man. So I'm about to unrag for you guys, let you guys see what it's looking like. 4 weeks woofing. Y'all already know, man. Like, subscribe. Let's see what it's looking like.